Greetings and salutations from the Italian guy. This ice cream, keto friendly, quick recipe with just 2 ingredients for the base is really delicious. I will show you really now, without any too much blah 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 blah, how you can achieve it. Dunque, per realizzare il nostro gelato al cioccolato senza latte condensato abbiamo bisogno di 400 ml di panna da montare, 15 grammi di cioccolato in polvere, cacao in polvere, scusate, senza zucchero ovviamente, e 50 grammi di stevia, eritrolo o xritolo. Queste ultime 2 dosi sono a piacere, insomma, se vi piace più cioccolatoso o più dolce, insomma, potete variare le dosi. Ora lo montiamo. Ecco, quando ha raggiunto questa consistenza, lo possiamo mettere nel freezer. So this recipe is very quick, very easy to do. Just 2 ingredients to make the base, double cream and the sweetener of your choice, and then you can put the flavor in. Chopped mint leaves, for example, strawberry, vanilla, hazelnut paste, banana, even though it's not so, I know it's not so keto friendly, the banana, blueberries, do whatever you want. Let me know in the comment below, so which flavor did you add in the mixture, There is no condensed milk, and above all it's creamy, soft and genuine. Do it and you will let me know. And the ice cream I eat everywhere, they contain salt and they leave you a dry palate and then you have to drink. I don't like them because salt you put in the savory dishes. In sweets you put sugar, sweeteners, not salt. So I hope you really like this recipe very quickly, and above all is delicious. And let me know in the comments. If you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. I would appreciate. I'm growing slowly. There is a lot of competition on the English, in the American market. I mean, on the American YouTube area, so to say. So it's difficult to stand out, and I really would like to, because my recipes are really nice and tasty. That's it. So thanks for your support, and let me know in the comments below whatever you would like me to prepare or review. Goodbye.